Most creators don't understand this. Where you place your ads on your video can affect how much you make here on YouTube. If your ads are placed at the wrong moment, viewers skip them, your watch time drops, and your revenue suffers. So in this video, I'm going to show you two important Chrome extensions you need to add right now to your Chrome browser that will enable you to fix these ads in the strategic places. Without much ado, let me take you through the whole process. I will say this: don't skip any part of this video, because the two extension, if you don't see how it is done and how it is being used, you will have it, you will not know how to use it. All right, so I discovered it and I want to share it with the community. Guys, are you excited? Because I am. Meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik. In this channel, I help YouTuber beginners to grow, build, and monetize. Instead, monetize, sharing strategies and mistakes to avoid. If this sounds like something you love, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. Let's dive into the tutorial part. Now, the things I want you to have right now is for you to make sure you have this extension. All right, this extension, okay, YouTube ad placer. So you're going to come here and type YouTube ad placer. Look at it here. Once you're able to type this, it's going to bring out this extension, this Chrome web store, YouTube ad placer. Do you understand? This is the extension. Let me zoom it so you can see it, right? Beautiful. So the moment you have this, you go ahead and download it. Once you open it to this interface, already the reason why it's showing remove from Chrome is because I already add it, right? So you need to add it. Okay, for you it's going to be add Chrome, like add to Chrome, something like that. So you go ahead and add it. But if you already, like, this is the reason why it's showing remove from Chrome, because I have it already. All right, so when you are done, the next extension you should also look out for, these are the extension that I have, is what? This Next Love. Okay, I don't know how they pronounce it, but let me just type it for you to see. Make sure you also have this Next Love. Yes, this is it. Next Love Chrome extension. Open it. Look at how it is. Look at the interface here. Look at the icon. The moment you open it, you're going to see the same thing. Add. Yes, you're going to sign up, or you log in if you have an account, right? I already have an account, so I'm going to log in just to show you what I'm trying to explain. Continue with your Google. All right, just choose any account, continue. Now I already have this extension in my laptop, okay, and it's already there in my YouTube channel, right? So this is the extension. Okay, you're going to see automate workflow Chrome extension. Cancel all of these things. You see, watch tutorial. So this is like, the interface, the general interface, right? So you come here, see Chrome extension. Okay, so you're going to install extension from here. I already have it, so there's no point installing it. Once you install the extension from here, exit, close this, install it from here, right? And go to your desktop, and of course normal installation process. Once you install it, to download into your system, open it and run it. It will now be added to your system automatically. So when you come to, once you have finished uploading your video to your YouTube channel, right, and you want to add monetization, of course you need to turn on monetization first, then you manage ad slots. Now this is to show you how big creators are adding many ads on their. This is not being stingy, okay, this is not being rude, this is not being aggressive, this is just utilizing the feature that YouTube have given us. All right, most times if you do it manually by yourself, you might not be able to add it in the right strategic places, but with this particular extensions I just mentioned now, the two extensions, it helps you do it very well. Now let's go. You are here, right? You are, instead of to use insert ad, you are going to go to that Chrome extension that you've added to your Chrome browser and select it. The moment you select it, notice this place have changed to the YouTube ad placer, right? That is the icon. Then I use 10 ads here. So it says automatically place ads at regular intervals throughout your videos, right? So make sure this is interval 10, okay? Then make sure this tick at start, add at end. Make sure the two of them are ticked, all right? Then go ahead and place ad. Watch what is going to happen automatically. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Click anywhere to exit. Are you seeing this? It's adding automatically. This is beautiful, right? I'm going to show you the end result of this, so stick around. Don't skip any part of this video. If you don't like the video and subscribe. Beautiful. So your mid-rolls are added. Look at all of these. They are all added, right? There are many, right? Now YouTube is going to reject. Watch what is going to happen. Let me just show you what is going to. Just follow me through, okay? Awesome. Look at YouTube said consider moving some of your manual ad slots for better chances of showing ads. Now if you allow it to be there, ad is not like, in fact, ad will not show on your videos because it's not well placed. All right, so let me show you one thing that you needed to see. All right, so go ahead and manage this slot again. Manage ad slots again. Once you open that manage ad slot, wow, look at all of it are showing red, meaning that no matter how I do it, YouTube will not show any of these because all these reds are errors. So this is how to solve this problem. Now go ahead and now that extension you added, that next loss, you understand, the second extension we added that I told you to install, that is the beauty of that extension. Now that extension is going to help you to correct this mistake without you having to do anything manually. Watch. You come here and see remove ads. Where you have remove ads, you're going to see clear interruptive ads. Once you clear this, watch what is going to happen. Watch what is going to happen. Beautiful. All the reds are all gone. So this is how to solve that problem. The solution is go and install that Chrome. Yes, that Chrome extension. Next loss. I mean, is it next loss? I don't know, but you at least you've seen the the name, right? I can't pronounce it, but it's kind of like next loof. Is it next love? Next loss? I don't know. So just install it and start using it to enjoy placing ads. And of course, you see ads are online. Play it. They come here. Watch what is going to happen here. Ads is playing here. All right. And then there's others. So they are the one that is, this is now normal. This is the real way of placing ads in your video. So was this video helpful? Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Let me know how this video made you feel or how it has opened your eyes to see this. And then don't forget to always save it. Always save it. Always. Now the challenge you're going to be having when you want to save, you're going to see things like this. It will not be saving, right? Don't worry yourself. Go ahead and refresh your tab. Yes, refresh it, reload it. It's going to, everything will align automatically. We'll go back again and check. You'll see that there's no issues at all with that particular video. So let's see whether what we did was correct. Not showing anymore. It has cleared and my green is here, so it means that we did the right thing. So thumbs up. Great. And then if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one, guys.